doesn't make sense. This love, this love will ruin every fear. I don't need to be scared, that fear is ruined. Oh, this love makes it so you can finally be free. Oh, and there is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain this love can't break. So be free. There is no chain this love can't break. So be free. Oh, and there is no chain this love can't break. Be free. There is no chain this love can't break. Be free, yeah. Oh, there is no chain this love can't break. I believe it. Oh, there is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain. Oh, and there is no chain this love can't break. No chain. No chain. There is no chain this love can't break. I believe it. I believe it. There is no chain this love can't break. No chain. No chain. There is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain this love can't break. Oh, this love isn't like anything you've ever seen. It can open any door. It can teach you to love. It'll help you forgive. Forgive yourself, those who have hurt you. There is no chain this love can break. There is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain this love can't break.
I've tried so hard to see it. Took me so long to believe it. That you choose someone like me to carry your victory. Perfection could never earn it. You give what we don't deserve, and you take the broken things and raise them to glory. You are my champion. Giants fall when you stand undefeated. Every battle you've
Chad, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Let us sing to the Lord.
How's everyone doing this morning? Keegs, how are you doing, my brother?
I'm doing good, my brother. Bit confused. Yeah, wow, my thing won't let me open trading view.
His mercies are new.
But other than that, I'm doing good. Okay, that's working.
Chad, good morning, good morning. How's everyone feeling? Everyone good? Didn't see you on stream yesterday. Rooksy, everything good, my brother? Just a hectic morning. Big shout out to Rooks, absolute legend.
Bro, check the...
Send it to me. Is that the one you... I want that, bro.
There's
Hey.
two versions. I'll send you both of them.
Chad, is everyone good this morning? Everyone good? We are good because God is good. Amen. 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 Alrighty, ladies and gents. We are gonna get cracking here. We are gonna get cracking, Keeks. Are you happy if we...
Let's get cracking, bro. Someone's gonna have to call a chiropractor here.
Whoa! Bubbles and pops. Rukeleza. Okay, beautiful, ladies and gents. Audio good. Sounds a little bit loud in my ear, but I just want to check with you guys. Are you happy with the audio? Is it good? Is it not good? How is the audio? Audio good, beautiful. Okay, Chad. Economic calendar. We've got quite a few PMIs coming out of the Eurozone this morning, so we're going to see some volume. We've got PPI coming out a little bit later. We've got ADP employment this afternoon. We've got ISM services PMI, so quite a busy deck. Also NFP this Friday, so markets are setting up beautifully. I'm going to start off with the dollar here first. Let's have a look at what the dollar here is doing. And as you can see right on cue, finding some resistance there. Dollar still super bullish from these lows. Structure has shifted bullish after this minor consolidation. And that's the bullish breakout. How deep do we pull back? I don't know. This 200 daily EMA is a strong level where we could reject. If you look at this previously, this is where we peaked last year, November. A little bit of a double top there, right about that 200 EMA. 200 EMA is a strong level. It's not usually just going to run away, especially after an expansion move like this. You might see some collagen kicks, consolidation.
All right.
Some collagenation, consolidation around that level to build up some volume, but daily is still bullish. However, did mention to the Project G guys this morning on the prep call that if we pull a young Tory trades here,
Yeah.
Crebo trades, Tory trades. Where's my Ferrari now? Okay, so you can see. We've got somewhat of a trend line here going to the upside. So pullbacks could happen all the way back to this 200 EMA on the 4-hour even. Okay, so just be aware of that. We could go into some corrective phase here. And if I look at the lower time frame, you can see that we are somewhat going to a potential sell side of the curve here after making a new high. We are now starting to make lower highs. All right, starting to break structure lower. Still very overlapping though, but as it stands, somewhat bearish for me. Right, it is a little bit loud in my ear, but feels like I have to talk loud for the people to hear me. Alrighty, ladies and gents. The fake out before the breakout. Can I get an amen, Keeks?
Amen.
Did Keeks not say God took him through a bear market before? I didn't say that.
What's this?
No, you said this morning there was a time when God took you through a bear market. Chad, come on, don't be so serious.
Chad, you gotta go through it all.
If you're in the bear market, God is with you in the valley, eh?
I will still sit here now. I don't care what other people are gonna say to you. I'm telling you, if you are at the highs, if you're going through a very good time in your trading, if you have not gone through the lows, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I promise you it's coming. I've never met a trader who will tell you he never went through a very bad patch in his trading.
Preaching some truth here. Alrighty, Chad. So dollar for me while we trade below this level, bearish. Okay. Gold. Let's jump straight to gold. Keeks, thank you so much for my 1,200 pips on gold yesterday.
Pleasure, bro.
Keeks blessed us with a beautiful trade off the lows. If you didn't share it on social media, I don't think guys would have believed us. He took 800, I took 1,200. So Keeks, thank you.
Welcome, bro. I think for the little guy, for you guys are done for probably like 3 years at this point now. But for those
what
of you
little,
who still
what
want
little
more,
guy? What? Okay.
we
Blessed
had a
is
trade.
the peacemaker, Keeks.
Yeah.
For ye shall be called sons of God. Okay, Chad. Okay. We are bearish on the daily for gold. Okay. If you look at this zone right there, okay, look left with me. You can see we were trending up nicely. Strong bearish candle close yesterday. Confirmed resistance. Okay. Why is that resistance confirmed? Talk to me. Who's been here? Let me know. Why is thine resistance confirmed?
Come on, Chad. One of you got to be able to answer this. We can't help you every time.
Talk to me, Chad. Two bearish candles, Lapis, Coburn. Was that the first answer? Lapis, please send an email to support@vaultfund.trade so we can give you $5,000 VF account. Let me just let support know. See, sometimes to be engaged pays. Okay. We just let support know quickly. Give me 1 second. Just take a photo here for support. Where's Lapis?
If time permits, can you please explain the difference between the XM ultra low standard versus ultra low micro account?
Lapis, please just send a screenshot where you are logged into your YouTube as well.
When he's done there, we'll get to it there for you, my brother. We'll explain it. It's pretty self-explanatory. One is obviously running on standard for the lot size you're using in comparison, and the other is for your micro accounts, but we'll break it down a lot more.
Lapis, hope you are blessed with that, my brother. There we go, La Paz. Okay, gold bearish, alright. Quickly blazing Lapis there. Okay, gold, tricky spot. This is, we literally caught the low yesterday, Keeks. We literally, Chad, I can't give you the tech.
It's tough when you're good, bro.
But Chad, I can't give you the tech. But that is what we caught. I got 1,200. How did I catch 1,200 though?
Because you went 1 to 3. We said we were, so literally there, your little area mark we spoke about, that's previous weekly lows.
Oh, yeah.
So we said we were going to monitor
Yes.
that and then go break even. So it went break even, which
Yeah,
means you
you're
survived the pullback, and then it went full TP.
Okay, Chad, what am I looking for here today? Okay. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I'm gonna be honest with you. But I have to. Let me just see, give me 1 second. Yeah. Yes, bro, we cannot not sell this. Famous last words. Okay, Chad, for me. This is my setup today. Fake out for the breakout. If I get it, I get it. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Okay, that is my setup for this morning on gold. We won't fake out if we're going to go higher. Then we'll hold above Asia highs. But other than that, that is the setup there. US 30 on the daily is still bearish. Never gonna let me down.
You going 1 to 10.
1 to 10s is the new 10. 10 is 10. 1 to 10 or. Okay, I need to stop. Okay, there we go.
See, Chad, he wants to say it was me.
Nah.
That's him.
Blessed is the peacemaker. Don't
It
get me.
is him.
Don't get me into this. Alrighty, Chad. Here is our zones. Okay, so this is our bearish zone. Okay. If we start holding above that area, I do think we can go bullish. But for now, I'm still expecting a 80% wick fill. Okay, so still bear. What am I looking for? Let me just check on my text screen here what I marked out. Ooh, Chad, okay. Where's my tech? Where's my tech level? Okay. Alrighty, Chad, as it stands, I am gonna wait for London open. If we hold above this level, gonna wait for open London. Keeks open London. London open.
There we go. We get in there, guys.
London open. I'm looking for the following tech. Range. Fake out before the breakout. Ladies and gents. That is going to be the trade as it currently stands. And then from there I'll sell. Okay. So that is US 30 for me. Can only get bearish once we below this zone. Okay. Take level. NASDAQistan. Too early?
Maybe a little too
okay,
early.
sorry. I told Brian that and he's still...
He ran with it.
I ran and wanted... Okay, bro, stop. Keeks, you know what's the crazy thing about
I
having...
got $300 from your XM link from the rebates.
Chai! Look at that, Viper. Well played, Maurice. So, I told you, we... Honestly, Keeks, I challenge any other IB out there to show us that they are giving away $5 per lot. I challenge you publicly. Show me. You guys are just eating people's money. We give back. Okay, and I'm not talking about giving back after they paid commission. Our traders don't pay commission and they get paid commissions to trade. But anyways, okay. Keek, sorry man. What I wanted to say is, you know what the benefit is of having the superior genetics that I have?
Yeah.
Is that I went to gym yesterday for the first time. And this morning after I showered and I looked in the mirror and I gave myself a fright. And I was like, shit, dude, you jacked. One session. That's why I can't go to gym every day.
Just gonna get too big too quick.
Dude, I am. And I was just like, I went to my wife and I said, look at this superior genetics. It's already like a little vein on my shoulder. And I said, I'm going to stop. That's why I won't be going to gym today. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Jack, dude. Scared myself a little bit there. Anyways, Chad.
Bro, my phone's having like a meltdown.
Why?
Like nothing's working and it is getting ridiculously hot.
That's why I still have the 16 Pro Max.
It's
No,
having
I've got the
a-
15.
No, you got a 16.
Weet jy, ek het geskrik, my vriend. Ek moes letterlik die wasem van die venster afval en toe sien ek net soos,
Etty, like he was so scared
what a machine.
of hurting people.
No,
he-
Kicks, don't expose me.
Oh, but you can always want to expose me,
Kicks.
man. We can't.
Okay, no, expose me. Do it.
We were going to say my boy was so scared of hurting people, like he was throwing weights around in the gym. So he decided just for the safety of every other gym goer around him, he actually benched without plates on the bar. So no plates, because then they can't hurt anyone. There were no plates hurt in the making of this.
Hey,
That was,
Kicks exposing me. No, listen, I was that guy, Chad. Listen, 20 kgs. Oh my dude, 20 kgs is 20 kgs. 20 kgs is 20 kgs,
right.
ladies and gents. But we'll build. We'll build. Okay, Chad, we'll build back to it. Give me some
We're
time.
going to turn my boy into a machine over here.
Give me some time. Let me build. So no shame if you see me in the gym.
Bro, it's good. We know you were doing it just to look after the bar.
Hey.
You didn't want to hurt it.
Kigi. Okay.
Please don't use Discord for bit. Yeah, if someone's apparently talking to me on Discord, that's not me you're talking to.
Yeah, guys, please note we will never talk to you on any social media platform. And we are blue ticked on Instagram, so please. Okay.
If you want to talk to us, sorry, brother. If
Yeah.
you're part of Project G, message on WAP. There, it's literally only Chris, myself, or the support guys who will help you. Otherwise, literally Instagram. It's blue ticked. It's verified. You know that's our page. Go message there.
Kigo. There we go, soldier. Kigi. Alrighty. Okay, same with NASDAQ, guys. If we hold this and we can get some type of London range and a manipulation, I will look to potentially long. Okay. But yeah, Keegs, bro, why do I feel like that analysis took very long?
I don't think so. It doesn't feel that long for me.
Kigo.
Let's see here, guys. I'm just trying to see if my phone's unfrozen here quickly.
Kigo lazy.
Nope, doesn't look like it.
Eti, okay, ma. Eti, Isham, how are you, my brother? Hope you are doing well. Be blessed. Eti, but ernstig nou, hoe kom 'n mens terug? Want ek sê vir Keegs, so mense wat eers keer terugkom, dan wil jy dan verwoes jy jouself en dan raak jy siek. So ek het gister vir myself net gesê 20 minute cardio, 25 minute net so bietjie van als weights gewys. So net 2 sets van 10. Net so bietjie die spiertjies skrik gemaak. Maar sê vir my, hoe kom 'n mens terug? Keegs was very fast. Did you respond?
What do you mean did I respond?
Did he respond to you? The real Keegan, the blue tick? Wait, did he respond, bro?
I have my moments, guys.
Keeks, did you legit respond to that brother there?
Yeah, I did. I told you, I'm on my game at the moment, bro.
Nah, I'm Chad.
Trevor is slacking.
I
on
need to
social
get a
media.
rain jacket or something to weather. Nah, respect, my brother.
You gotta hustle, bro.
Respect.
My brother there needed answers. We provided.
Keegi.
But let's get into this quickly, guys, before market open. So very simple, yeah. Dollar. I'm still at the moment literally bullish. Two things though. If you guys remember, I said this is the key area we want to trade to. We've ticked all the boxes. Holding the monthly R2. So the big thing for us, remember I said, yeah, it's going to be this level. So if we tested, if we got the break above, that's where we want to see the run. What happened now is we tested, rejected. So the fact we rejected these highs, the first thing I'm going to want to see now is this. It can have a rejection and still hold it above the 200, hold in the monthly R2. I'm still happy with that. But it's got to come to today. Even if we have a bearish day, but the bearish candle must still close and hold above that monthly R2 and the 200. If we drive back down, dollar can then have its pullback. But as long as we stay where we are here now, dollar can just have that pullback. Basically, whether today it can turn bullish, or as I said, stay bearish and just close above, and then tomorrow we go for the wick fill and we go for that weekly key level. Okay, so still going to be there again a little bit more, just if you actually want to say neutral, purely because I'm going to say we want to look for the outlook of what happens today. But definitely going to see dollar getting stronger and stronger. Going over to gold quickly. Again, very bit of an interesting one. Nice pullbacks, catching the lows yesterday. So beautiful trade there for us. But as you guys can see, moving nicely here now. Two things. Firstly, daily had no bottom wick, so take note of that, as we did basically open up with a little bit of a gap here. But what I do want to take note of is very similar to what we saw there. So we opened up, had a bearish, almost a pause candle, because we tried to run lower, now turning bullish again. If this candle decides to start to run, that's where we're going to see the buyers come back into this. Okay, so what I want to monitor on gold, very simply for myself, is pretty much Asia highs where we have the EQ. If we can get above there, this is where I'm going to start looking for buyers to go higher. But as we stay over here, if we basically range in this little area and we close back underneath, get into about 12 o'clock or so, and we start doing this, I will look for the sells again as well. Okay, so going to be a bit of an interesting one. Go for that gap fill, not necessarily all the way down, even just the gap. But pretty much that for gold.
Keep,
Then
sorry, I just want to
lastly-
open up these markets. Sorry, man, I do apologize. Chad, markets are open and in motion. This is the official round 5. Get ready. Ding, ding, ding.
There we go.
Okay.
And then Chad, again, going over to the indices side of stuff. As we spoke about it, moving bearish. I'm still bearish on them. Had a nice move yesterday. As we can see, what we spoke about, that this was going to be a very perfect Linda move, holding there, trading back up, giving us that monthly, closing the gap that we had, and then obviously where it sold off. You can see now we're trading back down, a little bit of a pullback, and we want to look for almost the same play. I'm still quite bearish, so that's what I want to see if I get. Obviously we have our strategy, which end of the day, New York session, whatever it gives me, that's what I'm going to go for. But if we do start to do something like this, hold maybe the last fake out and then get that move, this is where I like to go bearish. Otherwise, it can even run for Asia highs, and then we start looking to go bearish after that. If it goes bullish, if the strategy gives me buyers, I go for it. If it doesn't and we go for the sells, I think I'm just a bit more comfortable. Maybe I go for a bigger TP. But that'll be the case for New York session with the Project G members. But Chad, that is everything from me.
Keeks, thanks so much, Chad. After stream, we have to do the switch.
Yeah, I can do that. Where is this thing now? Bro, when you need to go find clips or things that we did from old content pieces, you actually realize how much content we've shot.
Okay, chat. Let's see if we're gonna get these buys.
That's what I'm looking for. Let's see.
Yeah, chat, if you want to get $5 back on every trade you take, go and register a trading account with XM using partner code 2GS Gold. You can also get the Sentinel. We did do a rundown of US30, my brother. Okay, I will do that for you, my brother. I just this morning on my laptop, it was overwhelming.
What's that?
No, the watermark. Is there a bigger Mac screen than what I've got? Was that the biggest?
That's the biggest, the 16-inch.
I think it's tiny, dude.
Where is this thing?
Wait, what happened? Ja. Drink jy nog? Yes, Edman. Ek moet net nog geldjies maak. Ek het nie genoeg Snoopy geldjies gehad. Dit is soos 1,5. Nee, ja, ek het nog 'n bietjie oor, maar as ek nou 'n bietjie Snoopy geldjies inkry, dan gaan ek weer die goedjies koop. O, wag, het jy gesê, maar as jy klaar weights rondgooi, los eers die trein. Can't tell me Oakley's wrestling running tackies isn't hard as nails. Hey. Kry 'n bietjie test en dekka. Hi. Hey, Edman, hi. So Etty told me to get like some vitamins and stuff.
Yeah.
And I didn't look at the price and I just got everything. And when I got to the till, I almost passed out. I was like, what? Over $1.5 for 3 bottles of, but it's good stuff. I'm like, yo, can I throw this on the medical aid? They're like, no, sir. Okay. What our stop's gonna be 64. Okay, Chad might get a. Oh, let's maybe work on 75.
Bro, I was saying to Kate the other day,
Really? Okay.
I didn't realize how much weight I've lost, bro.
Yeah, I actually got a fright when I saw how small you were the other day.
Bro, like, jokes aside, you don't realize it till you look at like old photos.
No, I realized I saw it. thinking in my head, if I was not just benching the bar, I would have snapped you like a twig, but I'm only benching the bar, bro. So I think you snapped me like a twig. Wait, did Jake send me a link yet? Jake's he built us a playlist there. Okay, we're gonna have to wait here. We're building some nice range here.
Eti, here's a question, bro. So, exactly how far back does muscle memory go?
The thing is, if you've got superior genetics, it goes back quite far. Okay. Alrighty, will we get it? No. Any other apps? I think FX Replay is one app.
What's that for backtesting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In 2026, if you're overweight, you're poor, Keegs. I'm just saying.
Damn. You're gonna do me like that.
Like, you either get fat people or poor people.
And what
Because
happens
if
you're
you've
just
got
skinny
enough
now?
money, you just get the peptides. I didn't see any overweight people December in St. Francis. I'm just saying.
Is that your logic?
Nah, bro, it's like you either choose to be overweight or you're poor.
You sure you wanna switch pieces, bro?
What?
I just did that again.
Bro, there's something not right with that PC. Even now with the new power supply.
But your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart.
Koop my Rita, ja. Maar throw thought in for... Hey, my brother, anytime. Anytime. Throw in a thought there for us. Let us know. Nothing wrong with sharing some insights. The only thing we don't like is when people just throw random stuff out there, like long US 30. Like,
That's not cool.
just tell us why you're going long. Give some context. Motherboard, Kriba, you think it's the motherboard? Koop my motherboard. Scalping. Okay, we might get it on NAS. Not necessarily. Yeah. What song is this?
It's your song there, bro.
How Winnie. %, my brother. I like your idea. So if you build a thesis, that's good. Then it's just a case of executing on your thesis. So for me, my thesis is that I wanted to see some type of manipulation of the lows, and then I want to see a strong reaction off this level. So, but look, I also get it wrong, so don't trust me. Damn, bro, it might execute here. Let me just check US 30. Where's my phone? What am I doing, bro?
Hands on side pressure, Chad.
Yo. Okay, wait. 11 seconds. I might even miss this trade. Oh my sack, my bro. I'm not locked in yet. Oh, please don't do this to me. US 30. I'm gonna pump along. Okay, beautiful. Chad, I'm long on US 30. Oh, okay, in. Okay, US 30 long. Quarter long there, going with a 50 stop. Okay, 50 stop, and then I'm targeting yesterday's high. Okay, I am targeting that level there. Okay, there's the trade. Break even level is gonna be around about here, guys. Okay, it's gonna be the breakout level. Not breakout level. Break even level. Okay, there's the trade, guys. Now we just wait. Krubo, just play that hit. Man's coming in hot for profits.
Yeah.
Man's coming in hot or man's not hot? Big Shark.
Yeah.
Man's international. So it's been a minute since we've done Man's Not Hot. Never hot.
That's me. Yeah, big man. Help your man with the shopping. Nah, fam, I'm not about, fam. I'm in Miami, bro. You know, man's international now, fam. Check the statistics. Yeah. Alright. Soon come. Yeah? Alright, you're done now. Pop.
Yo. Big Shaq, the one and only. Man's not hot. Never hot.
Then I just one big lot.
Skitty cat cat. Boom. 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park. That girl was a uckers. When the ting went quack, 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 you man were ducking. Hold tight, Asni, my brother. He's got a pumpy, big ting. Hold tight, my man, my guy. He's got a frisbee. I trap on the phone. Moving that cornflakes. Rice Krispies. Hold tight, my girl Whitney. On the road doing 10 toes. Like my toes. You man thought I froze. I see a pen girl on a pose.
I'm gonna tell you now why I entered.
Look at your nose. Check your nose, fam. You donut. Nose long like garden hose. I tell a man's not hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot, never hot. Hop out the 4-door with the 440 was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Us, man. Chilling in the corridor. Yo, your dad is 44, and he's still calling man for a draw. Look at him. Let him know. When I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw. Finish. Take man's Twix by force. Take it. Send man shot by force. Send it. Your girl knows I've got the sauce. Flexing. No ketchup. None. Just sauce. Saucy. Raw sauce. Yo. Boom. The ting goes. Skitty keep.
Oh. Yeah.
You done know.
Talk game legend. Come on. Yo, listen. Legend. Legend. Boom. Big Shaq. Big Khaled. What we saying, Khaled? They don't want us to win, so we're going to win more. We're going to win more. Don't play yourself. Never. Yourself. Come on. Legend. Come on.
I tell a man's not hot. Man's not. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told
Okay, let me tell you quickly.
I said, babe, man's not hot. Man can never be hot, never hot.
Recent things. I think I'm out, chat. Let me just check here.
Use roll-on. Use that.
Or spray. Okay, so the idea for me, very simple here, is that we're sitting above VWAP. We're sitting at that 200 EMA on the 5. So I am, while we're above this zone, I'm looking purely for longs. Okay. The only way I can get back short bias is like what we're doing now, is if we come down strong and we reject this area. Other than that, if we hold outside of this zone, still looking for longs, only after we start to show strong bearish momentum here. On the 1 minute, I was purely waiting for some type of range to form. After we had this move from the low, that is where I entered. Okay. So long buy for me. Not looking for any shorts yet. So I will still be looking long above here. Nas. Might even get Nas. Have to be alone. Okay, let's check it. So I'm gonna give it another shot. If we get off these lows quite strong, I'm banging it again. If this 1 minute closes strong bullish, I'm ripping again. Stops are gonna be round about round about 80. Ooh, we need that 5 bullish. Nah, it's not bullish yet either. Okay. No bueno. No bueno as of yet. Still have to wait here, Chad.
It's fine, bro. You got this. You can bounce back.
Jake, I asked for profits in my trade on gold sell. Spill
Have you been on any
Y.
peppies? No, I haven't.
Pepelitos.
No, not that I can think of, my brother. Not that I can think of.
Yeah.
That was actually not the question I answered. Keys was off for 7 months. Took me 2 months to get back to where I was, so you have some time. Yeah, so yeah, because that's the thing, bro. If I have to be honest, like, not even saying consistency, like when I was going out once or twice a week, like, I'll just say, okay, cool. Take it as like, I haven't trained properly for like a year.
Okay, let's see here. Cross check C-Max 8. C-Max.
I gotta say, so it's not, I'm just saying a year because yes, there was times where I was like going to gym twice a week or 3 times a week, but it wasn't consistent and all that, and diet was out the window. Yeah, well, obviously that's the thing. I haven't like got freaking fat, bro. It's just like I've lost a lot of my size. Ooh. So it's literally like I just shrank a little. The thing is, I said to Kate, the problem when I realized it, like I said to her, funny enough, I went through photos the one day when I was looking for all the photos, and that's the first time I saw it. And I was like, okay, like you never feel it, but I was like, damn, okay, I was like big then. And then I put on one of my jerseys. So my jerseys I used to wear, for example, it was like a double XL. I put on an XL, and the XL was like baggy on me, and I was like, yo, okay, there's a problem here.
So are you going to gym today?
I can't today. Today is like fully booked up, so from tomorrow. I even got the treadmill out. I said to Kate, we're going to put the treadmill on the balcony upstairs. I'll do treadmill while I watch the sunrise.
That moment when a person goes, beautiful, my brother. As long as somebody wins.
No, Eti, that was the cuckest feeling, bro. I know in the past though, like what also sucks is when you go to the gym and like you're gonna shit bricks on weight which you used to not even like warm up on. So then that's also the like a shot to the ego a bit. Can I please ask for 500 Rand account size, what account type and leverage would you recommend or accept? Probably the micro for
the micro low spread.
Makes you feel like a latte. 100% Eddie, 100% bro. No, keys are a massive risk. Bro, Dane, I appreciate my brother, but it's like, obviously when you also think of it weight wise, I mean, the biggest I was 120 something, 122, 123 kgs. But as I say, like double XLs were tight on me. Now I'm wearing larges and the XL's baggy and bro, nothing fits anymore and you just feel small, bro. Let alone now when I do go back to the gym, I'm gonna feel the weight difference. Dan raak ek soos kribbe, gooi die mense met die weights.
Okay,
Thanks kindly, sir. And what leverage would you recommend? The leverage on the micro is it's still the same, isn't it? The 1, 2, 1,
yeah, you can. Consistency over intensity. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. So here's my thing. I'm not gonna say you're wrong, but it's more a thing of I don't think I've ever trained like that in my life. Like obviously I've been consistent, but every session was like you go balls to the wall. But at the same time, I think that's also to add to a lot of the injuries I have in my body. Till today, I will still always say Ed's a witness to this. I've always said to him, like, it's not even a day of asking myself if I was going to tear my pec, but just a matter of when I was going to tear my pec. Because out of all the injuries I've had, and I've always trained stupid heavy on my chest days and that, and I never ever tore my pec muscle.
Was that the goal to try and tear?
No, it wasn't the goal to, but like, bro, if everything else was going, like, come on, the pec had to give in at some point.
Project pec tear. Time to wreck the pec.
When you feel that little shock and tightness, it's a scary feeling, keys. Yeah, you can only train like that when you are young, though. Yeah, I gotta keep training like that until I get to unk status.
Trying to see, yesterday is the strong.
I haven't trained in almost a year and a half. Hands feel weak, legs no words. Check out oil. Oil is breaking out.
I will now, my brother.
When you think of it, guys, oil was only like $80 a barrel. Like the last when the whole Russia-Ukraine thing kicked off, I mean, it went to 130. So oil's still gonna climb dramatically. I saw today, I think midnight tonight, prices go up.
Okay, chat, if we get a strong bullish closure, that's gonna be my last bullet for this session, baby.
Yeah, but Pitman, what 4-hour play did you take though, bro? Because
There's no
technically
4-hour
we haven't
play.
had the 4-hour play yet. So which
What
one
did
did you
Pitman
catch?
say?
He caught the 4-hour.
Hey, Pitman, die profetiese 4 uur. Niks fout met 'n klein profetiese trade,
I
nee.
mean, if your logic was there and it worked out, that's awesome.
Niks
but,
fout met 'n stukkie profetika. Okay. Nah, it's both setting up though, but which one do we take?
I need to hit the gym,
USD.
Keeks. Need some of that motivation. I'm a dad, man. I can't be so small. Nah, bro. I always said I hated being small. I was small in school,
70.
and I always said no matter what, I'll never ever go back to that size.
Okay. Right, chat, if we close like this, last patron.
With regards to lot size matters, we be continuing with the interviews and insights. I think Chris and myself can do a few episodes every now and again, just like some insights for you guys.
Chad, NAS is also same setup though. But you check the point of control is above us there. And this is holding above. So I'm gonna rip a US 30 here. I'm gonna rip a US 30.
Yeah.
So if you want to take the opposite, now is your time to do so. So when I enter buy now, you enter a sell, and hopefully one of us will win. I lost the previous one. Okay. There we
No
go.
offense to anyone small, I just really like red muscles.
Groot mossels. Okay, Chad. There we go. Alright.
We need a new podcast series on 2Gs. Speak your truth for all those that have come on and gone.
Basically 1 to 4. How much is that? 280. 280. Can we get it 280 for the O's? Okay. That's the last bullet for me. Then, if I don't get this, my read was completely wrong. Then my read was completely off on these markets. Germany needs to play area for kids, then I can go. Also, as well as tiny, not even small. Alrighty, that is.
I dropped on 100 kg for the first time in over a couple of years today on prep. I've never felt this small. Also, us who are 87 kgs, this means you are tiny, not even small. But some gyms do have the play areas for kids, Dan. I know Virgin has it. They've got the kids area, so you drop the kids off. They have people to look after them. They play games. They do all their stuff while you go gym.
Lorraine has it.
Yeah.
Green Acres doesn't.
When you used to walk around, be 100, 120, 100. Yeah, that Jared, I feel you, bro. I feel you.
Oh. 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 Bro, it's such a strong level though. Let's check yeah, but it's also not. Nah, Chad, it's not looking good. We're not getting away from this level. Oh, it's not looking good. Hopefully it took the sells when I entered buys.
Damn, I need to come up with a better excuse now not to go to the gym.
I hope you took the sells. Yo, no, I can't sell there, bro. Chad, I just can't sell here though. We took Asia lows, we back in the range, we held EQ. We've got the daily point of control here. The weekly point of control is literally also here. I just can't sell here. It is impossible for me to sell there. If you look at the week, where did we open up here? Just want to show you guys.
Yo. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I haven't even looked at any of the guys recently, so I really don't even know what they're looking like to honestly give a top 5 opinion.
So just to show you, yo, why is this thing like in the screen here? Placement, let's place it left. Okay, there we go. So for this entire week, this is literally where the majority of the volume is traded. Okay, so that is why I cannot sell here unless we get something super bearish. But as it stands, while we hold here, cannot sell, boys. Just to give you guys some context. Okay, so right here, majority of the volume for the week. So we're gonna get a big move here either way. Okay, it's just a case of being on the right side of it.
Bro, what are these oaks on? Like, how desperate are they?
Who's that?
These oaks spamming to go watch their live streams.
Help you South Africans get rich. Oh no, another get rich quick.
Damn, bro, that's sad. Oh my word.
Yeah, chat. So just to give you guys some context, so you don't think I'm shooting in the dark here. That is the idea here. Yesterday, same thing. The weekly point of control was here somewhere. And remember, I wanted that fake out to short, but we were already trading lower by then. So yeah, that's a trade. First bullet was a miss. Can the second bullet be a hit?
We're gonna bounce back here for the boys.
Can the fake out before the breakout? Do you guys think TJR can trade? I'm not sure. The thing is, from what I've seen TJR do, he doesn't have a lot of context as to bias. He just marks out 4-hour highs, 1 hour highs and lows. Just waits for like some sweep. So I think looking at it can work. Me and Brian had this discussion earlier in the week where we said with good trade management and good risk management, you can make money with a very mediocre strategy. I primarily use bodies. Does high leverage mean high losses and wins? No. Just means you require less margin to open up a position. Leverage has got nothing to do with the actual volume of your trade. Is that how that guy makes money, Kribo? Which guy is this, Jexy? Talk to me, Jex. What did I miss here? Jexana. No. No, talking about TJR. Mathematician just uses previous daily candle.
On the side note, guys, actually a little reminder for you guys. Rixie, do you have a
Body.
thingy Nightbot prompt for the seminar? Because the seminar is up for registration so long for you guys. We are going to be touching a lot more about it. Bro, these guys need to get a life. Oh my word.
15k for a previous daily low strat. Yeah, so it's basically a strat where you look at the previous daily candle. So if the previous daily candle was bullish, then you will be bullish today, and then you'll buy at the daily flip or at the previous daily low or high, depending on what the previous daily candle was. And then your target is usually the same as the previous daily range. Can't believe I stayed up 20. Oh, did it give it to you, Jexy? So you know it. Check gold gou. Kom ons check gou gold. Hey, gold. Okay, gold, they move. Jakes, do you get it? Did he share it on the stream?
What's that?
Oaks thought we were getting gold. That's literally the strat I talked about that I used many years ago, where I entered off the fib levels and I just used... Look, you can make money because the probability of consecutive bullish days in a bullish market or bearish market is very high.
Rixie, yeah, it's on the 2G's website. Kuro, you want to put it onto my screen quickly? Bro?
Yeah, so the only issue with that strat is when you go into range, they get absolutely mauled. Okay, it's on your screen.
Alright guys, so two things you can obviously notice if you are also wanting to be part of Project G. So if you just search 2G's trading, the first thing that will come up here at the bottom is WAP, where it's Project G. But on top is the website. So if you click on that, you guys are going to go over to the website. From there, on top, seminar, very simple. You just click over there. And for the next webinar coming up next week, Saturday.
Precision over prediction. POP.
A lot, guys.
PP. PP.
Obviously, we're going to be talking about setups, major risks, and trading consistently across forex,
Precision.
commodities, indices. And then pretty much there, you guys can put your email address, register for the seminar, and then a little bit of everything you can expect.
Do you also have a special guest?
Maybe I do, maybe I don't. They're going to have to find out. Maybe a little bit closer to the time we'll drop if there's a special guest coming there for you guys. But a little bit of what you can cover, everything there for you guys, the date and time. So again, we like doing the online now because it is there for anyone and everyone. But completely free. Just drop your email over there, guys, and you can register for that next week, Saturday. It's going to be a goodie. You don't want to miss it.
I think because the idea is that price needs to go back to the daily flip level to test it and then continue higher. So on strong trending days, it never goes back to the daily flip. And yeah, he had the idea, needs to go back there. That's why it was.
Yo, guys. Imagine paying 10k to watch a painful master trader borrow money from you. Yo. I feel the chat is still touched over there, bro. Kuro, why did he always sell all-time highs?
That's the one I answered now.
Where's the link? Sorry. OGX. This new month. Don't let me know your next move. It's just a funny topic still. Nah, it is. Oh my word, these guys, bro. How many, if we have to report him now, how many reports does it take till we take his account down? Bro, like, I don't know who this oak is, bro. Like, I went to go look at his thing there. Bro, he's sitting there with flipping 3 people watching him. Like, does he have nothing else to do with his life? Guys, I wanted to ask on some of my TradingView tabs, they are blank and I'm not sure why. Can anyone assist? Your TradingView tabs. So what do you mean? Is in like the pairs when you click on them? The candles are there, however, I can't add any drawings or indicators to them.
Then we must log in.
So you don't have any of the option like on your side, so nothing to click on any of your. That is super weird. Probably using more than 2 on free play. No, is that for the indicators?
Did you guys see how Rydal, how Suhail made his name Khat? Man wanted to make a hot series, Robin. Man couldn't even finish his last video. Who's Suhail? Suhail lama eti.
Bro, none of these guys can be consistent in anything at the end. Before there should be that finishing blow, it's somehow on the next topic.
Man, die Anne bra. Whoa!
I'll say.
The indice trader. Oh yeah, I checked the one video. It was an interesting topic though. Rydal apparently accepting money to take videos down.
It's the same, just put it this way, like, and I'm not saying that's what happened, but for example, you have something like that happen. You make a video about Chris and myself, for example, and all that drama. You framed us as bad guys. Then it came out, like you got evidence the other guy was wrong.
And you still don't do a
and
follow-up.
Then you didn't do the follow-up on that. And was never like, oh, okay, cool, the 2Gs were actually innocent in this. So it did become a little bit...
Yeah, I don't think it's right though. Because effectively...
my...
Yes, the... Marge, you have to be quick with these boys. So here's the thing effectively, and I'll be open with Rydal about it. You can contact me as well. So the way that I see it is you put out a hit piece with the idea that the guy is going to contact you and say, Rydal, listen here, take it down, whatever. I'm going to pay you X amount. So you're putting out all of these hit pieces with the idea that, okay, some guys are gonna come to me, pay me. So that for me it doesn't sit well.
Is Rydal still making videos?
I don't know.
I haven't seen a video in a while.
Chad, are we gonna go 2 for 2 here? We're gonna go 2 for 2.
My flip.
How does this guy get back? I think it's a bot. Let's just put him in timeout.
Don't time him out, bro. Just freaking ban him.
Yeah, so that for me on the Rydal thing doesn't sit well. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how you're an investigative journalist, but I don't know, Chad. How does that sit with you guys? What do you think?
What do you think about Deervolt, Mr. MSG? Nothing wrong with the guy.
I think he's a big guy in the industry. Literally. He's one of the biggest guys in the Keegs. What?
But
he's a big trader.
Yeah.
Physically.
But nah, he's like
he's
personally he's a lacquer guy. Him and his partner. Business partner. They lacquer oaks. But I almost want to say I do believe they're more businessmen, entrepreneurs than traders.
Yeah.
They've built something very, very well done. Hats off to them. It's a very good system that they have. But yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about them.
Yeah, Steve, bro. This must be a bot.
Bro, these guys, no, but I checked it, bro, he's got freaking 3 viewers. So what is this, his entertainment now?
Nah, he's not a bad guy.
I don't know what the surname is. I just know his name's Default and
So-
MSG, that's it.
So weird story. He was actually homeless, guys. I don't know if you guys know this. He had businesses before COVID hit. He lost everything. And he was on the streets. Then Marcius. It's Marcius, eh?
Yeah.
That's why I actually have newfound respect for Marcius. Marcius let Devolt stay by him for I think like a month or 2 in his house.
Sorry, bro. Just quickly. No, Tinus works for Devolt. So Tinus is now marketing the MSG, but he works for Devolt.
I think the stream is on subscribers only. Can comment.
Yeah, it is.
So they are subscribed at least. So yeah, big shout out to Marcius for doing that. So as much as people don't like Marcius, he's actually a solid guy. And I enjoy his punchline. Be blessed.
I had to wait 2 days before I could chat.
2 days there.
That's weird. And 2K just took shorts on yesterday.
I'm getting
Josh has
charged,
got
yeah.
everything going against him.
I'm getting charged, yeah. I just can't sell here, bro. Wait, I'm charged. Yeah, no, I'm not taking another shot at this.
Bro, but how can you not sell there? You should have only been in sales. Bro, wait, this is on my screen.
No. Okay, look at where your weekly point
Exactly.
of No, that's not your weekly
That
point
is
of
the
control.
weekly.
That isn't.
That is.
Bro, that isn't.
That is, bro.
Mine is lower.
Because your settings are not correct.
My settings
I told you your settings are not correct.
My settings are
Right.
correct. On what are you? I'm on IC. What are you?
FP markers.
So it won't be the same, my brother.
Okay, hold on.
Go to IC.
Alright. Where's... Let's see. Still the same.
Where? Zoom in? No, look at where the line is.
Yes, yeah.
Zoom in.
You've under it, you've held it.
Line is at the bottom.
Oh, your settings, I told you your settings are not right, bro.
No, that setting is just for the visuals. It's not gonna
It's
change
not.
your-
This changed the...
I promise you, the row size is just to make it. You change your row size to 200, you'll see your point of control is gonna remain the same.
Well, for me it's different, bro. I've got
Go
to...
200? Put it on 200, it's not gonna change.
What does it matter, bro? Either day, it's still...
No, mine is literally where it is now, bro.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's...
No joke. Check here. Let me put it there for you. No, the row size is not gonna change your point of control.
No, but that's what I'm just saying. So for me,
Check there.
I would have
There's
never
mine.
taken a buy there.
Check here. Literally there. Wait, let me delete that. Check that. Literally there. That's what I'm saying. I can't sell it.
You're not on the same one as me.
Let me, okay, check here. If I change this, it won't, you'll see it won't change. Let me do this. You'll check it won't change your,
Wait, no, there, bro. Hold on.
it won't change your point of control.
Yeah, that's wrong. You got
What is yours? Let's check quickly. Still the same. No, it won't change, bro. That doesn't. The point of control won't
but
change
that's not-
based off those settings.
That's also
That's
volume. That's not row size.
value area volume. So it's the only thing that the value area does is that highlighted section. Come check quickly. Come stand here. So if I put this on 10, you're gonna see this white section is gonna narrow down. Just check there. Nothing's gonna change on the check now. You see there, so that highlighted white section. So you determine how big of your area do you use. So this point of control will never, huh?
How is it different, bro? Like I said, how is it? I put it on RC and you still saw it.
Go US 30.
It's not on my screen, no? This is...
Extend your point of control.
You gonna see it now? There's the 4. Your point of, that's what I'm saying. We're not on the same one because your point of control and mine are different. You should have never been in one.
Mine is literally there. There you can see it.
No, I can't. I can see it on yours, but I'm saying, so you see it.
Where's your previous weekly one?
Previous weekly is at 48,877.
Yeah, that's weird. Even your previous weekly one is different. On what candles are you there?
4 hour.
No, you're on top. Or your candles?
I want
You're on
candles.
log. Nah, bro, there's mine. Check this.
I can see it, but that's not the same as mine, bro.
That's what I'm saying. I can't sell it. If yours is higher, then we should be looking at
Yeah.
it. But mine is.
And I think that also would have
Let me
changed
see.
yesterday when you took your trades then.
Let me see your indicator quickly. Which one? Okay, but wait, quickly click on the settings. That is so weird.
The style is obviously just how I've set it.
Yo, bro, that is so weird. Bro, we literally have the same one.
Are you sure we have the same one?
Quickly go into your one. This one, yeah. Check, yeah. Yeah, that's the one. No, it's just when you change your settings. So I put it here on week, yeah. Oh, I check it is a different one. Okay. Okay, Keeks. I check side. Oh, Chad.
Oh,
Chad. Okay, let's see.
new tech.
That was close. It was close.
It's close, but it does change the whole outlook of the trade.
I wonder why it's different though.
Yeah, that I can answer for you.
That is very odd. Alrighty, chat. No, that's me. Down 2R. Okay, the tech has changed. It wouldn't have changed my keys. Check there quickly. Wait, bro. So
Oh,
check
would've.
here. It's still, all of that was still above it. I don't know what's going on here. Check where's yours. Check there. Bro, I don't know. Then I've got a completely different feed than you. Wait, let me
I'm
see.
on RC now, hold on. Yeah, so yeah, bro. So if this was it there, just look there.
Go in your 5 minutes.
Because yeah, you're under held. So this now you should be.
Then I go in your 5 minutes. Bro, it's still not the same. Check here, there's one. Check here.
Just wait.
It's still literally, it only went below now.
And I'm on RC now.
So then something's different, bro. There, it's still there where, and this is the new tech.
And yours now, or your settings the same as mine?
Yeah,
Hey.
exactly the same. Check that. Bro, that's so weird. It's there. And yours is up there. Maybe refresh your chart quickly. Go in and out of, because there you can see it, bro. Literally check here. There's it.
Yeah, it's because mine is sitting at 48,358.
Yeah, yours is there and mine's here. Nah, bro, this is anomaly.
I can't tell you why it's different.
Bro, this is so. Let's just confirm. Yeah, stops have indeed. Yeah.
Bro, are
Stops.
these guys still carrying on?
Let it be known, Chris tried to buy this. Let it be known. Right. Nah, bro, this thing is still. Okay, wait, I'm gonna refresh mine, Keeks.
Chad, just let us figure this one out. We'll give you obviously the right stuff later on. It's just because the fact that mine and Chris aren't lining up.
I'm gonna.
Mine's been working quite well with the trades I've been on, so I think Chris and myself just need to figure out why he's just showing different to mine. Once we have the answer for you guys, we'll give you the update.
I'm gonna start fresh. Dun, dun, dun.
But I still say something's different there, bro, because end of the day, yours still doesn't have the same name that mine is.
Maybe you took a different one.
I really didn't.
Okay, let's check. There, okay, check. I need to put it on. There we go. Quickly take yours off and put it back on. It's still there, bro.
Hey, I'm not moving mine yet, bro. This
No,
thing.
just take it off and put it back on.
Hold on. Because I have to redo the whole settings then for it. No, I've done the whole visuals of mine as well. I'm not reading all of that. Yeah, I've got the same thing. But see, this one says what your one says now. So let's see what this one's showing here. Because now this one says what yours says. Oh, then now you're on it. So that one I have isn't the same as this one. So this is the one you're running now. The other one's different. I have no clue. That I thought is what that one was. But check the name, because I said the name is different, bro. It just shows. I can copy there, hold on. I did just copy, so let me just see here quickly.
Yo, chat, I can't sell you, eh? 100% so cannot sell you. Might be a little bit unlucky with all of these dips, but selling. What is Nas doing? Okay, there Nas is getting the pop. Suckling on the sour teat this morning.
Oh wow, okay. Bro, I don't know which one this is. How do we figure this out?
Wait, let me check. There's not a lot of them though.
No, the thing is, there's not a lot, so. That's the same. No, it is different, bro. What? Which one is this I have then?
Nah, bro, you gotta.
I need to figure out which one it is that I have.
Did you go prophetic volume profile?
Which one did I get, bro?
I know there's a way to share. Wait, let me see. Add the indicator to your favorites and then we'll see the name.
But how do you add it to your favorite when it's already on?
No, you just go, click there, yeah, and then go, yeah.
Bro, don't delete it. That's what I'm saying. How do you add it to? But there just remove this indicator from favorites. Yeah.
That's the same.
But check when you try put it on now, then it comes up as the one you have there.
I don't know what did it, bro.
Yeah.
Go to the settings of your one. Nah, bro, I don't know. I don't know what you could do.
Unless you can check on the visibility, yeah.
Nah, the visibility won't do anything with
But
it.
bro, I don't know.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. Mine is style. Wait. Okay, go to style. Let me see your style.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I don't know what.
Let me see your style. Okay, style. Nah, bro, this is all just visual stuff. This won't change.
That's what I'm saying. Unless this thing was recently updated and I still have the old one.
Yeah, it could be. Nah, it could be. it could 100% be.
But then if you go to them, can't you find like older versions?
Chad, yeah, unfortunate. Nas giving more or less the same setup. Only thing for me, Nas was, like I said, below that point of control. Yeah, I couldn't sell you guys, if I'm being very honest with you. And just a few reasons is that if you look at from these highs, okay. So firstly, yesterday we had a very strong move up from the lows, okay. Very aggressive move. Then this corrective structure, we proceeded to break structure lower, okay. And then right here, this is usually a sign of a potential reversal. That high there failed to make a new low, and we actually made a new high. Okay, so this is giving you the idea that we're not going to continue lower. Okay. Then secondly, we had the weekly point of control, which I already showed you guys, lining up with the current daily point of control. So it's a very, very strong level. Okay. A lot of accumulation around this level for good reason, because a big move is going to happen from here. Okay. Still just very overlapping. If it was going to go super bearish, I promise you it's not going to go bearish like this. You would have seen structure being broken to the downside. And I'm not saying it cannot go bearish. All I'm saying is that if we look at these moves up, this is all overlap. Okay. So yeah, unfortunate. Gold. Okay, wait. Let's check your gold one quickly, Keeks. Where's your gold one? You want to land on gold, eh?
Yeah.
Is yours on top there? Literally.
On
your
gold,
level?
5332.6.
It's not the same. Bro, it's literally, check there.
It's literally where the sell happened.
Yeah, but mine is at 5329. Bro, but wait. Zoom in there on your thing. Your thing doesn't zoom in quickly on the 5.
If I go to the 5, it won't load.
No, it should load on the 5.
Oh, there. Then it said 5329.7.
5329.
0.7.
Ah, okay, then it's correct. Yeah, I've got the same.
So it looks a bit different on a higher time frame. But
Yeah. Okay. Keeks, are you still gonna take anything? I took
markets are nowhere.
I took my 2 blows. Chad, I don't think I'm gonna take these gold shorts, eh? If I'm being very honest with you guys. The reason I say that is we've got quite a bit of accumulation around this point of control. We've got VWAP here, 200 EMA. Also that daily level we spoke about. Can work, but for me, all of this accumulation around this level and the way it's setting up, we could see a pop. Okay. So I can only get my feelings hurt twice in a session. I need to go and recover now. Keeks is gonna sit down with me now and chat to me, motivate me.
We need you to lock in, bro.
Yeah, I know, bro. I don't like the sells. Do you like the sells?
On gold. No.
Nah. How's this 4 hour going? Yeah, I know. Check this 4 hour. 4 hour taking the lows, failing. Now back. Yeah, I know. Chad. No, I'm not gonna take those sells. I think this thing can rip to the upside. Wait, but how's that? Oh, it's a new 4 hour that did it. This 4 hour closed at 8. Oh yeah, check. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so this for me, Chad. This right here. This was the new 4 hour candle that took the previous 4 hour low and reversed, so no bueno. Alright, Kigi. You're gonna sit with me now. Give me some motivation.
We're gonna figure this out, bro. We're gonna figure it out.
This thing, anyways, Chad. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Oh, just put me on and ran. Nah, bro. We'll catch it. Chad, yeah, unfortunate. Sellers, I hope the sell goes for you guys. But it is NFP week. Closing remarks there, Kigo.
Yeah, guys. I think we spoke about it a few times, but the big basics of this week is, I mean, we've had monster trades, so we are very, very up comfortably this week. So no reason to go do anything stupid. We know what we want to do. We know where it is. If we have to just wait a little bit, be patient, be disciplined, let the trades come to you. As I always say, if it is your plan, take the trade. If it's not, wait for it to be to exactly what you planned and then execute on that trade. Because remember, guys, trading isn't hard, but trading without structure is hard. But yeah, we're going to see you guys a little bit later. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Prodigy, see you later. And again, don't forget to go register for the seminar, guys, next week, Saturday.
Chris, no one is forcing you to sell there. No, Plamena, it's all technicality we should sell there. But, nah. Actually, no, Keeks, because if this 4 hour closes bullish into our zone, then it invalidates.
Yeah.
Alrighty, Chad, we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. Project G, we're gonna see you guys this afternoon for NYSE session. Still a bit of trading left before the end of the week, Chad. Appreciate it. Kigo, thank you so much for joining, my brother.
Always.
Chad, peace and love, baby. We're gonna see you on the next one. Peace.
Cheers, Chad.